Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today I'm going to show you how to create and edit a batch file in Windows. Batch files are incredibly useful for automating repetitive tasks and running multiple commands at once, making your workflow more efficient. To start, open Notepad or any kind of simple text editor of your choice. So I'm opening Notepad. I'm clicking on Start menu and typing Notepad. Okay. Now, type the commands you want to run in sequence. For example, you can type, "Hello, Mr. TECHFOX." So I'm giving you an example like this. Echo, "Hello, Mr. TECHFOX." And typing pause. This will display "Hello Mr. TECHFOX" in the command prompt and pause until you press any key. So, once you have written your commands, click on File, after then choose Save As, and here you can choose a location to save it. I'm setting the location in desktop. And now, make sure to name it with the .bat extension, like I'm doing. For example, I am naming it as run.bat. And after then, set the save as type to all files. And now click on save button. Before running it, let me say something about this. To edit an existing batch file, right click on it and select edit. This will open the file in Notepad where you can make changes and save them again. Now we are gonna run the batch file. Simply double click on it and it will execute the commands in the command prompt. Now you have learned this skill, you can use batch files to automate daily tasks like launching multiple programs, backing up important files, or even cleaning up temporary files with a single click. With batch files, you can save time and make routine tasks much simpler. And that's it, you have successfully created and edited a batch file in Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TECHFOX and hit the like button for more real-time problem solving videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz!